In this example, we're given two functions, f of x, which equals x minus 7, and g of x that equals x squared plus 4. And we need to find these two things here. So the first one we need to find is the quotient function, f divided by g of x. So by definition, the quotient function, f divided by g of x, is just f of x divided by g of x. So what is f of x? F of x is x minus 7, and it's going to be divided by g of x, that's x squared plus 4. Plus 4, sorry. So now, can we reduce anything? There are no common factors between the numerator and the denominator, so this is as simplified as it gets. So the quotient function, f divided by g of x, is equal to x minus 7 divided by x squared plus 4. Now in part 2, I need to find the quotient function, f divided by g, evaluated at 3. Since we've already found the definition of the quotient function here, all I have to do now is plug 3 in for every x in this definition. So I'm going to get x minus 7 in the numerator, so x is 3, so it's going to be 3 minus 7 divided by x squared, so that's going to be 3 squared plus 4 in the denominator. Now all I have to do is simplify. Remember, the division bar is a grouping symbol, so I can work on the numerator and the denominator independent of each other. So the numerator is 3 minus 7. Well, what's 3 minus 7? It's negative 4. All divided by, in the denominator, you have to do exponents first. 3 squared is 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 4. The numerator is simplified, so it's negative 4 divided by my denominator of 9 plus 4 is 13. Can I reduce that fraction? No, it's in simplified form. So my quotient function, f divided by g, evaluated at 3, is equal to negative 4/13. Notice when I wrote my answer, I wrote the negative in the numerator of the fraction. I could have also written this as the negative in front of the fraction, 4/13. Those mean exactly the same thing. And there's one other thing I want to point out to you. If I'd have been asked to find the quotient function f divided by g of 3 without having to do the first part, what I could have done is said the quotient function, f divided by g evaluated at 3, is f of 3 divided by g of 3. So I would have figured out f of 3 by plugging a 3 in here and simplifying. I would have figured out g of 3 by plugging a 3 into g and simplifying, and then I would have just divided my answers. Notice whichever way I do it, I will still get this answer.